In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open MT5 on your computer, and then you want to go to the top left where it says File, and then from here, you want to click on Open an Account. Now, of course, from here, you can find your broker and then just basically sign in. So, for example, I have this Traders Way broker over here. Let's say you want to sign in with this specific broker. You can click on Next over here, and then you'll be able to, of course, sometimes open a demo account directly in here, but of course, always you'll be able to connect with an existing trade account. So from your broker, you'll receive your login and password for trade or for MetaTrader 5. And of course, it's going to be like a trading account. And usually login is a number and the password is a mix of numbers, symbols, and letters. Okay. And then you have to select the correct server, which is going to be provided by your broker as well, and click on finish and you'll be connected. Now, for a lot of different brokers, I do have separate videos on my channel teaching you exactly how to do this. So go watch those in case you are interested for a specific broker. Now, whenever you've done that, you want to go and find the asset you want to basically trade. So you want to open the market watch. Now, to do this, you want to press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. And as you can see, it's going to pop up this market watch over here, which by default should be over here as well. Now, you could also go to Window up top and then reset to default if it's looking like weird over here for you, and then press Ctrl and M and it's going to pop it up like this. Now, whenever you can see this over here, the first way to actually start trading is to right click on a specific thing you want to trade. We're just going to go with Euro USD over here, right click, and then from here, what you can do is basically click on, for example, chart window or new order. So up to you. I'm going to click on chart window, and there we go. We have the new chart window over here, which of course we can view, analyze, etc. You can then click on this button over here to see the depth of market, or this button over here to show the trading panel, which looks like this, and you can basically quickly buy and sell from over here. Now, of course, you could also right click and do new order, and it's going to pop up this new order window. That's one way to get this as well. Then you have the option to press F9 on your keyboard, which is going to basically pop up this order window as well. Or you could also go in any chart, right click the chart, and then from here you'll see it says trading, hover over it, and you can either buy or sell or click on a new order. Okay, so those are basically all the ways you could do this. I'm just going to go and right click and do new order over here. Now, to then trade on MetaTrader 5, what you want to do is first select the order type. You have market execution, limit order, stop order, or stop limit order. You can select whichever one you want. I'm just gonna go with the market execution right now. Then you have to select your symbol. I'm gonna go with euro versus US dollar, so euro USD. Then you have to select your volume. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, I'm going to do, for example, 1K right now. You can put on stop losses if you want to. I'm going to put it like this. And you can also add take profits if you want to as well, okay? I'm going to leave it like that. And of course, the fill policy can be selected over here. And then you can go and basically put on a comment in case you have any. So you can just start typing for your comments. Whenever you've done this, you can go and sell or buy, depending on whatever you want to do. And then over here on the right, you can basically kind of see how your order is positioned on the chart. Okay, then click again on sell or buy over here, and there we go. Right now, of course, it put the invalid SLTP because I wasn't quick enough, so I'm just gonna go and put this at 0 over here so it doesn't actually interfere with our trading. There we go. And now I'm gonna buy by market, and there we go. As you can see, one buy market has been done. Okay, I can now click on print or OK, and that's essentially how to trade on MetaTrader 5. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.